Okay, so I am using Notion to do my goals this year. I've done this previously, I think in my 2023 one, and I've always used Notion since 2021, I'm pretty sure, to track my goals and such. So that is what I'm planning to do this year. So here are my goals for this year. This is what the page looks like right now. It's kind of boring, I suppose. Like, there's not too much going on. So this is like my little header. There's like, I put a little bows, little icon, and then wrote down my goals, and then I'm gonna make a vision board. So my goals for this year are to work out 3 to 4 times a week with 1 to 2 days for stretching and flexibility. This is something that I started this past year. But I definitely want to keep it going into this. I just realized I put 2024, not 2025. Guys. Okay, ignore that. Anyways, I want to finish my be read list, so TBR, that I started in 2024. I got about halfway through it in 2024, so I definitely think I can get the other half done in 2025. I want to read 2 chapters of my Bible daily because that is something I need to work on. I've been really bad about like reading scripture, analyzing scripture, and doing so on a regular basis, and I think that would improve so many things in my life if I did. I'm gonna upload at least 5 videos this year. I'm so bad about uploading and having like a schedule. I have no official upload schedule, really, but I want to be able to just upload at least some content within this next year. I want to rebuild my emergency fund to $500, and I will start an apartment savings. So basically right now my emergency fund is like basically gone because I had some issues going on with my car and it was pretty expensive. So I want to restart my emergency fund and get that up, get that slaying, and I want to start an apartment savings. That way I can move out after I graduate from college. Yeah. I want to sell at least 3 artworks, and kind of to go with that is I want to complete 2 commissions. So I'm currently working on this really big commission right now. I don't know if we'll get it done within this next year. I'm kind of hoping we will, but we'll see. So that's at least one of them, but I really want to start like another commission and really get this ball rolling and get this going in terms of like selling artwork and doing commissions and stuff like that. And just being able to like start making at least a little bit of money off my work. That way I can get that going and get that ball rolling when I graduate. And then last on my list is to potentially get an internship. I would love to get an internship, especially because they've seen that many jobs want you to have like at least a couple years of experience in that field or whatever, which in my case is illustration. So I would love to get like an internship or at least some bigger commissions or something. That way I can just show like my skill and build my portfolio. That way I can get a pretty decent job. So yeah, those are my goals for this year. I think they're relatively achievable. I like to think that they are. So we're gonna be just kind of working on this stuff this year, and I'm really excited. Next I'm gonna be making my vision board, and then I'll probably input it on here. I'm most likely gonna make it on my iPad, so yeah. Okay, here is my finished Notion page. So I changed the font, got the color, my goals, and I just input my vision board. I'm honestly probably gonna change this color too, now that I think about it. And make it brown as well. Okay, saved. And there we go. I want to give a recap of my past year, and all I have to say is that it was okay. I didn't do any New Year's resolutions this past year, and I do feel like, or like even like goals for this next year or past year, and I feel like that didn't really work out for me. So that's why I wanted to make sure I actually set some goals this year, not just for content but also just because I need to be able to have some sort of like structure night or like idea of what I want to do versus having no idea what I wanted to do like this past year. And I kind of just was like dilly-dallying, which is nothing wrong with dilly-dallying, but we just some structured dilly-dallying, you know. But obviously we will still be frolicking, we'll still be dilly-dallying in this year. We just need to have some structure. So now I got like some general ideas of what I actually want to do this year versus me having no idea what I want to do this past year. And so I'm excited for this year. I'm probably gonna post like a back to school vlog thing, maybe, we'll see. And I know I have another video planned before my winter break is up, because yeah, I know that's coming up way sooner than I thought, but I have a couple weeks, so we'll see if I come up with any videos.